Now we learn next point is the mechanism of electrolysis. In mechanism of electrolysis, so this is the electrolysis. Lysis means breaking. So here, if an electrolyte solution or a fused state electrolyte solution taken in this electrolytic cell, so this is a diagram of electrolytic cell, but this is not completed diagram. So this diagram is related to electrolytic cell, and two electrodes are dipped in these cells, and these two electrodes are attached to battery. So this, this one is the negative end of battery and this one is a positive end of battery. And if this is a diagram which is construct this cell is a electrolytic cell. So in case of electrolytic cell, the negative terminal of this battery is connected to the electrode, these electrodes. So this electrode is connected to the positive terminal of battery. So this electrode is known as anode. If connect to positive terminal of the battery, this electrode is known as anode, and here electrode is connected to negative terminal of battery is known as cathode. Okay, this is known as cathode, and this key is open, but when this key is closed, look at this key is closed. At that time, look at this is a electrolyte and this key is closed. This is the electrolyte. Look at this one is the electrolytes, and this electrolyte contains cations and anions. Suppose this is a HCl solution. Suppose this is a HCl solution. So here both H plus and Cl minus is there in this solution. Otherwise AgNO3 solution. So there Ag plus and NO3 minus is there. So in electrolyte solution, dissociation takes place of positive and negative ions. When this electric current pass through this is a diagram of electrolytic cell. So in case of electrolytic cell, what happen? Using electricity, using electrical energy, chemical decomposition takes place. Chemical decomposition takes place. So here, if key is closed in this battery, so this is a negative terminal. So negative terminal means here more density of electrons. So here positively charged ions goes towards this cathode because this connect to negative terminal in this way, and negatively charged ions goes to anode because this connected to positive terminal. They have positive charge. Due to this positive charge, negative ions goes toward anodes, and due to this positive charge on due to positive charge on anode, negative ions goes towards anode, and due to negative charge on cathode, positive ions goes towards cathode. Okay, so we can write in this way. This is a anion. Anions means negatively charged ions, and this one is a cations. Cations means it's a positively charged ions. Cations. So this where this cations is moved, when if this key is closed, means this complete circuit is start. This chemical reaction will get start. Electricity consumed here, and due to this electricity, using electricity, this anions chemical decomposition takes place, and this anions, negatively charged anions, goes towards positive electrodes, anode. Okay, positive terminals, and this positively charged cations goes to negative terminal cathode. In this way, this chemical decomposition takes place. Okay, and electrolyte must be fused state or in liquid state. Okay, fused state or in liquid state. So I write here some examples of cathode and anode. I write here some examples of cathode and anode. Different examples we learn here. For example, suppose if this solution contains Ag plus ions, okay, if this solution contains Ag plus ions, Ag plus ions contains in these solutions, if Ag plus ions in this solution, so where is Ag plus ions shifted? Where is Ag plus ions is shifted? Ag plus ions is a positively charged ions. Okay, Ag plus ions is a positively charged ions. So this positively charged cations shifted towards negative end. Negative end means cathode. So therefore, this reaction takes place at cathode. Okay, cathode. So what happens here? At cathode is the negative end. So therefore, this Ag plus ions goes towards cathode. They gives electrons from this cathode negative end and form Ag is a Ag ion. So Ag ions is converted to Ag atoms. Okay, this is known as primary reaction, primary action, and this is a final stable product is formed. Yes, stable product is formed. Means direct Ag plus ions gain of electron takes place. Okay, if I write here second example, if H plus ions present in contains in the solutions, if this solution, if this electrolyte it contains H plus ions, so what happens here? So this H plus ions have a positive charge, this cation, therefore they goes towards negative electrodes, cathodes. They acquire electrons from cathode in this way, acquire electrons from cathode and form H atom. Okay, so this is a primary action, but this product H plus atoms is unstable. H atom is unstable product. So there are here two H atoms are combined together and form H2 molecules, and this H2 gas are evolved on this electrode in this way. H2 gas evolved from these electrodes. So these H ions acquire electrons and form H atoms. These two H atoms are combined together and form H2 molecules. So this is a secondary action. Okay, and here stable product is formed. Similar way we can write another some example. We learn one example. If copper Cu plus ions present in this solution, if Cu plus ions present in this solution, what happens here? If Cu plus ions is present in this solution, so Cu plus ions is a cation, so they acquire 2 electrons from cathode. Okay, acquire 2 electrons from cathode and form Cu atoms. So this is a primary action and Cu atom is a stable, so therefore a stable product is formed. In this type, some reaction takes place at cathode. So a cathode takes place. On cathode, these electrons are acquired on cathode. Okay, cathode is a negatively charged. Okay, cathode is a negatively charged species. And in case of anode, look at here, if if negative some chlorine ions, if chlorine negatively charged chlorine ions present in the solutions. Okay, I write here, if negatively charged chlorine ions present or contains in the solutions. Chlorine ions contains in the solution. So what happen is here, this chlorine ions, charge on chlorine ions is a minus. So minus means it's the anion, and anions goes towards anode because anode is a positive, and this chlorine ions goes to the anodes and they acquire electrons. Chlorine ions goes towards anode, goes towards, look at here, wait a minute, sorry, this chlorine minus ions goes towards anode. Anode is a positive charge, and they lose of their electrons and form chlorine atom. So this is a primary action. So here what happen is here, chlorine have a negative charge, anion. So negatively charged anion goes towards positively charged anode. Okay, and therefore this reaction takes place at anode. Chlorine ions is a negatively charged, goes towards positively charged anodes, and loss of their electron takes place. Okay, loss of their electron takes place, and this is the primary action. But you know, chlorine atom is unstable. So what happen is here, chlorine atom, this one chlorine atom, another one chlorine atoms, these two chlorine atoms are formed chlorine gaseous molecule. So this is a secondary action. And now product is a stable. Okay, suppose in your solution contains OH minus ions. Wait, if solution contains which ions? OH minus ions. Okay, what happen is here, what is the charge on OH minus ions? It's a negative charge. Therefore OH minus ions is anions. Negatively charged anions moves towards anode. Positively charged anodes moves towards positively charged terminals, anode. And what happen is here, if negatively charged anions moves towards positively charged anode, and their loss of electron takes place because anode is a positive, the anode gain of electrons. Okay, but this is a primary action. You know, OH minus ions is a unstable. Otherwise OH minus ions, loss of electron takes place means provide electrons to anode and form OH ion is a atom or molecule. And here this OH atoms, 4 OH atoms are combined together and form 2 H2O and O2 gas. So this is a secondary, write in this red pen, this is a secondary action, and both are stable product. Like this, look at here, OH minus ions, loss of electron, OH minus ions goes towards anode, and here anode acquire electrons. So this is the primary action. So 4 OH minus ions are combined together and form H2O, and O2 is a final product. So in this way electrolysis takes place. Suppose H2O molecules present in this suppose H2O is electrolytes, so OH and H plus ions are separated. So negative terminal of the battery supplies electrons to cathode, and the flow of electrons pass through electrolyte from cathode to anode. Are you getting this? The flow of electron takes place right here. Flow of electrons takes place from cathode to anode. Okay, flow of electron takes place from cathode to anode. Okay, so in this all reactions, look at here at cathode. What takes place on this cathode? So on this cathode, Ag plus ions gain of electron takes place. Okay, or actually this cathode is a negative, so Ag plus ions, their gain of electron takes place, and Ag atoms is formed. Look at here, it's very interesting. At cathode, here cathode is a negative terminal. Okay, cathode is a negative terminal, but this Ag plus ions goes towards cathode, and what is there? Electrons is carry. Okay, or loss of electron. Actually here Ag plus ions goes to negative electrodes, and here electrons is carry and form Ag plus ions. Similar way, chlorine atoms. Look at here, chlorine atoms. Chlorine atoms gain of electron, loss of electron takes place, and form chlorine ions, loss of electron takes place, and chlorine atoms. So here takes place at positive electrodes. This is a positive electrodes. So here chlorine ions, loss of electron takes place and chlorine atoms is formed, and here Ag plus ions, gain of electron takes place, and Ag plus is formed. So here at cathode, gain of electron takes place, and anode is a loss of electron takes place. Look at here, chlorine atom, loss of electron takes place, and here at cathode, gain Ag plus ions, gain of electron takes place. So I write here shortly. Look at here, similarities between two batteries. In this reaction, cathode, gain of electron takes place, and anode, loss of electron takes place. Look at here at anode, chlorine minus ions, loss of electrons and form chlorine atoms, and here in case of Ag plus ions, gain of electron takes place and Ag atoms. Means at cathode, gain of electron takes place, at anode, loss of electron takes place. In case of electrochemical cell, similar reactions is takes place. Cathode, gain of electrons, anode, loss of electrons. But here cathode is a negative and anode is a positive. Are you getting this? In case of electrochemical cell, cathode is a positive, anode is a negative, and here anode is a positive, cathode is a negative, but reactions are same, loss and gain of electrons. Okay, loss and gain of electrons. So I write here one of the reaction. Look at here, I mention here electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell. Okay, what happens is electrochemical cell, positive cathode and negative anode. Okay, gain of electron takes place, loss of electron takes place. For example, copper ions, 2 electrons gain form copper atoms, and here zinc loss of electron takes place, and for zinc ions. So what is common thing in both reaction? Look at this. What is common thing in this chart? This is a electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell. These reactions at electrolytic cell, negative is a cathode, gain of electron takes place. This is the example. Positive is the anode, loss of electron takes place. This is the example. Electrochemical cell, positive is the cathode, gain of electrons takes place. This is the example. And negative anode, loss of electron takes place. This is the example. So what is the difference and what is the similarities? So similarities is at cathode gain of electron takes place, at cathode gain of electron takes place, anode loss of electron takes place, anode loss of electron takes place. So you say whatever, anode or cathode, these principles are same in both cell. Okay, this principle is same in both cell. So next point we learn application of electrolysis. Application of electrolysis. There are two types of electrolysis we learn. First one electroplating and second one electro refining in very short and very simple language.